Hi, my name is Carol. I have been coming to the Speranzi Spa for approximately 10 months. My skin when I first came was very lined, very large pores. I had dark spots, age spots. I'm 62 years old. And my chin was also sagging, which it is not any longer. And due to Yolanda's products, which are marvelous, they smell fantastic and they feel so good on my face. They don't feel like I'm using heavy products. I have now time that I take in the evening, and it is my time, and I go through my routine and I'm cleansing and I'm softening, and the lines are gone, the pores are minimized, the discoloration is gone, and my skin looks fabulous. And I have gotten compliments not only from my husband but from strangers. I was at a comedy club and this guy stopped his routine. He said, "What do you mean you have a 33-year-old child? You look good." I said, "Ah, yes, that's Yolanda's work and my continuation in following her expertise."